The Rocking Al Show.
Hi, Rockin' Al here. I'm going to talk about how to stop constant worrying about the future. Here are some helpful tips to reduce your worrisome and negative thoughts. It's normal to worry from time to time. Given life's many unknowns and challenges, worry could be considered a natural response to many situations. But chronic and all-consuming worry can be troublesome and interfere with our ability to function freely and calmly in our daily lives. More importantly, problem worry can make recovery from panic disorder or agoraphobia more difficult. I have 5 tips for reducing chronic worrying. Number 1, avoid fortune telling. When you find yourself worrying about a future event because you are picturing a negative outcome, you are in fact saying, I can predict the future. But the fact is, you can't. And you are worried about what may happen, not what will happen. Worry itself serves no purpose unless it spurs a plan of action. Number 2, analyze the risks. If your mind has been taken over by chronic worry, your risk assessment skills may be distorted. You may even find yourself consumed with worry about future responsibilities when there isn't any real evidence that the negative event will actually come to pass. For example, perhaps you constantly worry about your job performance and fear being fired. You have received no indication from your boss or anyone else that you're not performing up to par. Looking at your situation realistically may help you reduce your worry. Number 3, schedule time to worry. Some people find it helpful to schedule 30 minutes each day just to worry. If worrisome thoughts creep in at any other times, put them aside by telling yourself you have a scheduled time to worry. Your goal is to worry only during your scheduled 30 minutes each day. Number 4, identify and replace worrisome thoughts. Write down your worrisome and distressful thoughts alongside each worrisome thought with some positive substitutions statements. For example, if you worry that your plane may crash during upcoming air travel, you may counter this thought with, statistically, air travel is safe. Professional and competent airline staff are in control, and I can just relax and enjoy my trip. You can also try using thought stopping to quiet your worrisome mind. And number 5, learn and practice relaxation techniques. By learning and practicing relaxation techniques, you will be able to reduce intrusive worrying. Some techniques that may be helpful include deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, meditation, and journaling. I hope you found this podcast informative. If you have any comments about this or the other episodes, please comment where available or send them to the Rocking Al Show at rockingalentertainment.ca. I'll be looking forward to reading them. You can also hear the podcast from other apps. Go to www.rock103.ca/apps, where you can download your favorite apps to your devices. Until next time, goodbye everybody. The Rocking Al Show.